Just want to show you that when you feed cats outside, you should probably wait until they're done because look at how they steal cat food. See, that's the signal up there. He's starting to tell everyone, and as soon as I walk away, there's more that come, and then I walk back and then they fly away. Hey guys, get along. Okay, look, I'm gonna try to walk away. Let's see if he comes closer. I'm talking about the bird here. I don't know how to walk backwards. See? And I come closer, and then he walks back. Oh, birds these days. So there's another technique that birds use. That they pretend like they are cats. So they'll just walk around instead of flying. Just walk around. Doo, 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 doo. I'm just an everyday cat. Look at me. No! But I'm just an everyday cat. Anyways. Sneaky. Alright. Now there's two of them. Now he's getting mad at me because I keep chasing him away. You're not a cat! Uh-oh, there's more. Why are you so angry? Hey! Do you want to see something really cool? Okay, so I've known this cat for quite some time. It's a few years old, but check it out. Hi! Oh, this is gonna be hard. Look at her eyes. This is a no filter. Come here, little one. Hi! Show us your eyes. Come here, kitty. Check that out. Isn't that crazy? Kitty! Over here! I've known her for a long time, but you know, she likes me, but she doesn't like being in a video, maybe? So cute.